Guys, check this thing out. This is an old school S10. It's been shaved. All the door handles and the keyholes are been shaved off. It's slammed down to the ground. They cut the roof off. This is what they used to do back in the 90s. He's got his full set of hydraulics. 5 batteries and 2 pumps. He's got the old school progressive wheels. I don't think they even make those anymore. I had lots of sets of those in the 90s. All he needs is a paint job and he'll be all set. Hope you guys like this one. Please like and subscribe to Drop Shop Garage.